on it. Let's get to measuring yourself or measuring your clients. Which one works for you best? Personally, I think everyone should at least be able to take their personal measurements or know how to measure. Although I know it's a problem for so many people, but I'll take you through on how to do that. It helps you know your measurement, how you gain weight or how you lose weight, and probably if you're sewing, to help you sew for yourself without looking for someone else to measure you. This is a major tool of measurement. It's called the measuring tape or the tape rule. And there's something about this tape rule, it expires. You wonder why? Yes, it does, or how it does. Let me just start with, we have different lengths. This is a 60 inches, this is 120 inches, and this is 80 inches. You can have any, it depends on what you're working on or the one available in your market. Now, your tape rule expires in two ways. It becomes very hard or becomes very soft. When it becomes very hard due to exposure to air, probably being left in the open air, or during harmattan, harsh weather makes it hardened. And when it's hard, what happens? It reduces the little bit of the centimeters. It looks like it's nothing, but when you add all these small centimeters, cm up, it's going to lead to the loss of an inch, sometimes or less, and that will affect your feet, the feet of the garment you're making. And another way is it could become too soft. When it becomes too soft, it becomes too long, longer than the required measurement. So watch out. If the feel in the hand becomes somehow funny, change your measuring tape. Do for another one so that your clothes or whatever you're working on can come out perfectly all the time.